So I was sent an email by Facebook telling me that my profile would no longer be recommended because I wasn't following the rules. Okay, but to be honest, I think I've been following the rules as much as I can. So let's finally fix it together. So you can start this process by clicking on view details from the email that was sent to you, or you can go to your Facebook profile and click on your dashboard. When you click on your dashboard, you're going to see they telling you that your profile is no longer recommended. You can click on it and then it will take you to the same page as clicking the view details button on your email. So when you get there, you're going to click on view details. Now when you click on view details, you still see another option for you to learn more. You're going to click on that learn more button. Now when you do this, you're going to, when you scroll down, you're going to see confirm identity. Now note, you're not going to see confirm identity if you are using Facebook Lite. The only time you're going to see confirm identity is when you're using the original Facebook. So I had a challenge. I couldn't see the confirm identity because I was using Facebook Lite. So I had to install the original Facebook that has everything, right? And I was able to see confirm identity. So if you're using Facebook Lite, you have to go, you don't need to uninstall your Facebook Lite, okay? You have to go to Play Store and download the original Facebook, and then you can, still follow this process and you're going to see confirm identity, or you log in with your details and go to your dashboard and you can proceed like that. Okay, so that being said, let's continue with the video. Now when you're here, you're going to click on confirm identity. When you click on confirm identity, you're going to see where they'll request for an ID in order to confirm my identity. So you're going to click on request review, and after you do that, it will take you to this section where to ask you to upload an ID. Okay, so you choose the type of ID you want to upload. For me, I'll be uploading my voter's ID because it's the best one I have, I think, at the moment. So now you get to this place where you're going to take a photo of your ID. Okay, so let's take a photo of my ID. You'll click on get started and then proceed to take the photo. So here it says enable access to your camera to do things such as take photo and share photos. So I'm going to allow my allow Facebook to take pictures. Okay, so I make sure that your environment is well lit and you fit the ID perfectly into the rectangle. Click on submit and your information will be uploaded. So identity confirmation in progress. You click on finish and it will take you to this page. So you get this message that you can't use Facebook at the moment. So you click on close. So they're going to review your ID, okay, and your page and send you a notification when they are done doing that. This can take 48 hours or less. So I got my notification, and as you can see, my profile is now back on track and I can be recommended again. Do well to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Comment below if this helped you. Thanks for watching. Bye.